apologies. I was in with clients.
Absolutely.
Okay, so let's go straight to calls.
I like that. You're with
Okay.
clients. Folks,
Yes.
this is the Immigration Link with Brad Bernstein of Spa and Bernstein. The number to call to ask your questions live over the airwaves is 1-877-320-LINK. That's 1-877-320-5465. Of course, you can always speak to Brad one-on-one at 1-800-LAW-LINK. That's 1-800-529-5465. The lines have been blazing for you
Okay,
all
let's go.
afternoon. Good afternoon, caller. What's your question for Brad?
How you doing?
Hi.
I have a question. I was understanding that brother was talking about how the lawyers just took his money and ran him around. And I see now how these other lawyers, some of them just take your money and just push you around and just step off. But the way I see it, Bernstein seems like he's the top of the line lawyer. And I would prefer him to do my case.
Wait, do you have a question?
Yeah, I'm trying to.
Yeah.
What's your question? Well, you want to just, or you're just trying to make a statement?
Yeah. I'm going to Atlanta, Georgia. Is it possible I can get it out of state? Can I deal with you or?
Yeah, you can deal with me. We have clients in all 50 states, and I don't know, not currently in all 50 states, but I probably dealt with an immigration case in just about every state. I can't think of a state I haven't dealt with. I had a client at least once in my life. And you can call us at 1-800-LAW-LINK over the telephone. We can have a telephone consultation, and hopefully you'll have a much better result with us than the other lawyers you were dealing with in the past. And you just call 1-800-LAW-LINK, and we can talk over the phone, and we can do everything through the mail and over the phone. And if you need us to come down to an interview in Atlanta, we'll fly down for the day.
Oh, okay.
All right?
All right, caller, thank you for calling. And, of course, don't forget you can call Brad right now for a one-on-one at 1-800-LAW-LINK. That's 1-800-529-5465, all right?
Okay, and how much would that be?
$120.
How much?
$120 for a consultation.
Oh, okay. So what about the case?
Oh, how much is the case? I have no idea what we're going to do for you.
You got to come in or you got to talk to Brad.
You got to talk to me first. I have no idea.
Mm-hmm.
It's like you go to a doctor and you say to the doctor, I think my hand's broken. How much for the surgery? The doctor goes, well, let me examine it first and see if you need surgery. It depends what the surgery is going to be.
Okay.
All right.
All right, guys. Thanks a lot.
All right,
okay, thank you. Once again, this is the Immigration Link at Link Up Radio 93.5 FM. We're inside the afternoon mix with Squeeze. Right now, we're with Brad Bernstein of the Law Office of Spa and Bernstein. You can call us up at 1-877-320-LINK. That's 1-877-320-5465.
But you have to make this clear. That is to call us on the radio right now. Okay. And right now we have 27 lines, and they're all book solid, I think, right? So if you get a busy signal, you'll call back. But if you want to speak to me one-on-one, either come into my office in downtown Manhattan in New York City, or you can do it over the phone. You can call 1-800-LAW-LINK, which is 1-800. This is the number you really need. 1-800-529-5465. That's the number you need to call me at my office to speak with me. Now, when you do call, you're most likely not going to get me on the phone. Okay? So people are going to say, hey, Brad said call it, I can speak to him. No. I have to charge a consultation fee simply because we got to pay for the radio time. I got to pay Janelle's salary. I got to pay. I got to tend to the clients. I don't actually pay your salary, but I pay somebody who pays your salary. Okay, so but right, but you get the whole idea. And so we do have to charge. We do have to make back our expenses and still make a few dollars. So I hope everybody understands that. And you call 1-800-LAW-LINK, 1-800-529-5465. We're also live on the web right now at www.4immigration.com if you want to check us out and see what we look like. Or you can, if you're on the web and you need to get in your car to buy something or go to work, you can listen to us on 93.5 FM right now in the whole New York metro area.
Absolutely.
How's that?
That's good.
Okay, so let's go.
That's
Next.
good. All right, next caller. Good afternoon. What's your question for Brad?
Hi, yes. My fiance is coming from India. We got a fiance visa. When we were married, we were thinking about taking a honeymoon, and we were wondering if there's any restrictions about traveling in the U.S. I know there's restrictions about traveling outside the U.S., but
you're not going to be able to travel outside of the U.S. You're absolutely right, because after you get married, you have to file an adjustment application, and he won't.
for the adjustment.
Right.
Yeah.
And he won't be able to travel till he gets his advance parole, which will be about, 3 months after you file the adjustment. But you can travel in all 48 states. It's not a problem. You can even go down to.
Okay.
You can even go down to Puerto Rico.
What about Puerto Rico?
I'm sorry.
What about Puerto Rico and Hawaii? Is that a problem?
Puerto Rico and Hawaii is not a problem. St. Thomas would be a problem, though.
Oh, really?
St. Thomas would be a problem.
Yes.
Okay. So even though he would have his Indian passport, there wouldn't be any problem with that.
He just has to. He just has to show he's on a plane. When he gets on a plane, he has to show that he is who he is. If they ask any questions, okay, I came here on a fiancé visa. Here's my wife. We're going on our honeymoon, and we're filing our adjustment application. You're perfectly legal.
Okay, and so there's no problem. Okay,
You'll be fine.
That's
good luck with it all.
And,
Have fun, caller.
just one more question. What I just wanted to ask about driver's license in New York.
When he gets his work permit, he'll be able to get his driver's license. What the law says in the state of New York, just so you know, the law says in the state of New York is you can use a out-of-state or out-of-country driver's license for your first 90 days in the state of New York. After that,
you have to
first 90 days. After that, you have to get a New York State driver's license. So he can use an out-of-state driver's license if he has a valid license from India. Conceivably, he can use it for the first 90 days. That's legal. After 90 days, you must get a driver's license in the state of New York. And he's not going to get that driver's license till he gets his work permit, which is also 90 days after you file the paperwork. So there's going to be a few weeks where he's not going to be legal under the law to drive.
Yeah, okay. Well, he actually has a motorcycle license, so I'm not sure.
So I guess he can drive. I don't know the motorcycle laws, but I'm just telling you about automobiles. Okay,
right.
Motorcycles are beyond my scope.
Okay, that's great.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
All right, good
luck.
luck.
We're free to take the trip either to Hawaii or Puerto Rico. That's great.
That sounds like fun. I like both places.
Yeah,
I've been to
much.
Puerto Rico. You're welcome. I've been to Puerto Rico many times. We can drop that call there. I've been to Puerto Rico many. I've never been to Hawaii.
Puerto Rico's beautiful.
Yeah, but you want to know why I haven't been to Hawaii?
Why?
It's too damn far. It's a long.
Really?
It's a
Are you
long.
one of those
It's a long
East
trip.
Coast traveler?
Yeah, it's a long trip for a beach. There's beautiful beaches much closer, right?
Well, it's true, the Caribbean.
That's right.
Depends
That's
on where
right.
you go.
All right, so let's go
All
another
right, let's
call.
take another call. Good afternoon, caller. What's your question for Brad?
Hello?
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 Yes.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, I want to ask you a question. I applied for my citizenship last summer.
Right.
I get it. Then I send in for my son on. They send for me for the interview. When I went down there, they told me that they need some letter from the mother that I had to over custody for him. My son been here with me from here.
Well, I've now completely lost you.
Hello?
Yeah.
Hello?
Caller, could you turn your radio down in the background, please? We're hearing
Okay, go ahead.
Turn it off.
Yeah, I'm hearing you now. Hello?
Yeah, I don't hear what he says.
Yeah, I'm saying that I apply for my citizenship.
Now you're good.
When I put in for my son, I get my own. But I applied for my son own, and when I went down there, they told me that they need a letter from the mother to say that I got proof of custody for him to live here. They asked me for my income tax form. I bring it. He been here with me for me was a year and something. He's now 8-year-old going into 9. I get a letter from the mother that he sent to me from Jamaica by a justice that he give me proof of custody, and I still can't hear nothing from them.
Well, you're doing everything right. Has the file been transferred from the National Visa Center down to the embassy? You haven't heard from the embassy? Is that what you're saying?
No, my son live here, but I'm not hearing from immigration about this. Because what they told me that I have to pay $585 to appeal his case.
Your son is here in the United States?
He's here with me, but